and welcome to Science Galata channel. This video brings you some important information regarding the Indian-made Covaxin. As you all might have seen that there were so many opposing comments, tweets and press releases against the Indian-made vaccine, questioning its suitability for immediate public use, safety and efficacy. The Bharat Biotech MD Dr. Krishna Ella was giving a furious press report few days back defending his biotech firm. He went on showing off all the achievements of his company in the past, listing all the publications, patents, and so on. He also claimed that there are provisions for approving the vaccines under emergency category. Until the end of the press conference, he did not open up anything related to safety and efficacy results of Covaxin and its phase 3 clinical trials. So, I decided to check some facts about the vaccine and try to find answers for some of those questions that was thrown against Covaxin. This video will discuss and analyze the clinical trial results step by step, and will try to find the good and bad things about the Covaxin. This is the schematic chart for the clinical trials done with Covaxin of Bharat Biotech. 800 volunteers for the phase 1 trials. Only 375 were involved in the actual trials. They were categorized into 4 different groups, including control or saline group, where no vaccine will be injected. The other 3 groups were given with different combinations of adjuvants and doses. This is the report obtained after phase 1 clinical trial. The results show local and systemic effects observed in participants. Firstly, the participants experienced moderate level local pain and after vaccination, and there were no swelling. Secondly, when the symptoms were recorded, we can clearly see mild to moderate symptoms of COVID-19 in 2 to 3% of the participants. They had moderate level fever and body ache when they were given with high dose of vaccine. Nearly 3% of participants experienced moderate level of fatigue with high and low dose of vaccine. The headache was also present in all the groups, including placebo, and is same with the nausea. You might know that all these are the typical symptoms of COVID-19. Yes, you will definitely experience all these or some of these symptoms when you get vaccinated with this Covaxin. And this is absolutely fine and normal. Yes, when you get vaccinated, you might get some fever and other immune responses, as it is the ultimate objective of the vaccination. After you get vaccinated, the antibodies generated against the inactive virus will try to defend the actual virus if there is an infection in future. This is how the vaccine works. The Covaxin phase 1 trial results from 375 patients clearly shows the merits and demerits of the vaccine in this report. Then I accidentally found this so-called preclinical trial results of Covaxin that is submitted by Bharat Biotech to one of the scientific journals, and the reports are still under review for publication. This trial was done in macaque rhesus monkey. They tested on 4 different groups of animals, where the first one being the control, that is a placebo or no vaccine group, while the other 3 groups are injected with vaccine in various forms and doses. The results clearly show that the viral load in the nasal and throat region is cleared after 7 days of vaccination in all the forms and doses. It took my attention where even the animal groups without the vaccination cleared almost 50% of viral load at the end of 7th day. Does it mean that even without the vaccine, your body can fight the virus, but maybe a little slower? Is this the reason they're not shouting out about the results to the public and always trying to maintain it under cover all the time? Alright, my friends, whatsoever, the vaccine did not show any adverse effect or no severe or drastic effects in the participants except some mild to moderate symptoms, which is actually fine when you get vaccinated. It is, however, impossible to derive the efficacy of this vaccine without the phase 3 clinical trial results, which will be happening soon, I hope, with 25,000 volunteers. But I remember that the minister had announced that the vaccine rollout to the public itself will be their phase 3 clinical trial, and the vaccination is not compulsory but voluntary. We don't know what will happen. As per the phase 1 results, the Covaxin is not harmful, but statistically speaking, this number is not even close to draw any big conclusion now. So guys, let's wait and see the vaccine rollout come phase 3 trials in Indian population for the results. I hope you like this content. Please leave your thoughts in comment section and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more factual and reliable information. Thanks for watching. See you soon.